Welcome to Nick Mayer Lincoln Mayfield, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto,
parking sensors, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, steering wheel controls,
dual front side impact airbags, fully automatic headlights, rear spoiler,
alloy wheels, roof rack, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer.
Family-owned Nick Mayer Lincoln Mayfield has been proudly serving our community for nearly 70 years. We have a friendly and knowledgeable staff that is dedicated to providing the best customer service for anyone that comes in. Our team members are selected based on their demonstration of an unwavering attitude of the importance of customer care and satisfaction. We strive to give each customer a luxury experience, whether they're getting an oil change or buying a new or used vehicle. Nick Mayer Lincoln Mayfield, we are here to service and sell cars now and in the future.